Oh my god, I've been in bed all morning. The kids been tearing up the fucking front room, and I don't even know what's going on with the front room. So let's go see. Not that bad. But I'm about to start laundry because the Express are driving to Chicago now. And let me show y'all. So this is Ethan and LJ stuff. This is my stuff. I was on my period, so I'm gonna wash my stuff separately than the whites. And I have to take everything off my bed. So hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Motherhood is Ghetto. I think this is episode 32. So it's basically gonna be like a laundry day. I have to get my sister from the airport in an hour, so I'm just gonna go ahead and strip my bed and start the whites. Yeah.
LJ just hit that soccer ball on the TV. He does.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Hold on. Push this back a little bit. So I'm gonna do the whites first. So what I like to do, I like to take my Tide. I'll do 1 cup of Tide. And then I'll do 2 cups of my Arm & Hammer. Is this the OxyClean one? I'll do 2 cups of this. And then I love the splashless bleach. I love splashless bleach. I especially love the one that's pink. I don't know what the scent is, but I love the pink one. And I don't measure that. I just dump it all in there. So I'm gonna neatly put my whites in here. And then on top, y'all, I take 1 cup of Tide. I'm gonna go buy more laundry detergent because obviously we have more loads of clothes. I'm gonna do 2 cups of the Arm & Hammer, and then I'm gonna pour the rest of this bleach in here because I don't have any more white clothes to wash. It's all my white clothes. And I love a lot of bleach. I love a lot of bleach. So I'm gonna shut this, put it on regular, 2 rinses, and then start it. Yeah, look at my room. I have to clean up, like seriously. That's what I'm gonna do today. Normally I clean up every 2 to 3 days, but for some reason I just didn't think of cleaning up at all. So I'm gonna put my camera on the charger and clean up. Yummy, 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 yummy oranges. Yummy, yummy. Ice just stopped, so I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all, they be so white. I just love the way they look. They be so white. All that freaking bleach. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my whites in the dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and do the kids' clothes. Same thing, 1 cup of Tide, 2 cups of Arm & Hammer. I have to get more detergent while we out going to get my sister. But I'm gonna just use whatever I have left on the kids' clothes. And of course I'm gonna put detergent on the top. Like I put detergent at the bottom and the top. Both. So when I get back, I'm gonna pack up Ethan's clothes and I'm gonna pack up LJ's clothes, obviously. I'm about to leave out to get Starbucks, and then we're gonna head to the airport to go get my sister. I think that's it. Hold on, let me get the light.
Okay. Stay right here.
Yep, right there. Don't move. Okay.
No. If I can let you go, then somebody will hit you, so no. No.
All right, go.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was gonna go to Starbucks first and then go get my sister, but she said her plane just landed. I don't have no fucking gas. Well, let me see how much gas I have left. I think I have enough gas to make it to the airport. But so I'm gonna go get gas, get a little bit of gas really quick, and then go get her. Kids are in the back seat, strapped in, and we about to go get her from the airport. Quick update, I got gas. I'm about to go to Starbucks because Sharice said it's another airplane in that spot and it's gonna be there stalling for 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab us some drinks from Starbucks, and then we're gonna head to the airport and get the kids some food from Starbucks too. Hi, can I get 2 venti strawberry lemonade refreshers with light ice?
Okay.
And then can I get 2 warm cheese danishes?
Okay.
And 2 birthday cake pops?
Okay.
That's it.
It'll be 26.46 today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So long. I've been in this for literally real, you know, it's real funny, but now I would have been the person to use. Where'd your friend get this bike? I've been looking for a 48 pinhead for years. Get down. Down. Yeah, go over here so Mama can fix the bed. Yeah, come on. No chippy. Love you, okay? Give me a kissy. Give me a kissy. Love you. Okay. Y'all, Ethan is down for his nap. And here, let me get in there. This front room is a mess. Sharice is sleeping on the couch. At least take this and throw it away because LJ didn't finish chicken nuggets. Let me get him his sippy cup. And then I'll clean up the front room and everything later because they ain't gonna do nothing but mess it back up anyways.
No.
Okay, night-night. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
You got ready to go eat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just for the key.
Get them crayons off my bed. I just Charlie in our night. I let him get a bag of Doritos. Even though he's not supposed to, but anything to get him to stop crying. We just took a shower. Now I'm gonna lay him down. I do have food for him on his bed. Ethan is in the shower. Teresa's gonna get in the shower, and then we gonna go to bed. If we hitting the road early in the morning, skirt. All I need is about 6 hours of sleep. So yeah. Peace out. See y'all later. Say bye-bye. Okay.